Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Elom Majanke. I'm Business Development Officer with the Brokerage Company. We are also in school. We are located on the Spin Test Road, 100 meters from the Coca-Cola Rambat. So for those who are in Ghana who are interested in forex trading, you are welcome to our school. So guys, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to everyone. We wish all the forex traders around the world a fruitful year and sustainable strategies, and may this year bring a lot of laughter. So last year I hope we really enjoyed the videos I had uploaded on my YouTube. So last year we ended with a pending order. So this year we're doing more of educative tutorials. A lot of people know how to trade, honestly speaking, they really know how to trade, but they don't really understand how it works. Like what margin is all about, what free margin is all about, what leverages is all about, how to open a trade, or the best leverage to use, what leverage stand for, how does a leverage affect your trade. A lot of people have been asking those kind of questions. They don't really know how to go about it. So this year we will do more of that. So every week I will be doing a video and uploading it on my YouTube channel at Elom Ajanke. So this video particularly will be on my YouTube channel, so you can watch it, share with your friend. If any requests, any suggestion you need to make, they are all welcome. So today we'll be talking about leverage. What is leverage? Leverage is simple an amount of money that you are able to spend as a result of borrowing investment capital from a particular broker. In the older days, it's only the big banks who were allowed to trade, with some big gurus who was allowed to trade with billions of dollars, thousands of dollars. So today, thanks to the internet and technology, and with the help of a broker, we will have $100 accounts, $10 accounts, $5 accounts, $10,000 accounts. We are also able to trade, all in the name of a leverage. So a leverage doesn't necessarily affect my profits. If I'm using 1:100 and someone also using 1:400, by the end of the day, if you're using the same lot size with the same number of pips, are we getting a different number of pips? What do you think? So everything depends on the broker you are dealing with, and all depends on the services and the products that you choose from your broker. You have the cent account, you have the premium, you have the micro, you have the VIP. It depends on the broker you are dealing with. So when you are using the micro, or it depends on the broker, what the broker will be offering you, you can use the highest of 1:100 or 1:1000. Depends on the broker you are dealing with. So let's take this scenario of two clients A and B, using the same equity of $5,000. Client A has choose 1:100. Client B choose 1:400. Simple calculation: 5,000 for client A times 100 will give him 500,000. A client B, 5,000 times 1:400, which is $2 million USD. So by the end of the day, if they decide to go for the same pair of USD with the same lot size 0.01 and the same number of pips, the profit at the end of the day will be the same. There will be no differences. You can go ahead, the calculation, you see there's no differences. So a leverage does not affect your profits. The profit will be the same using the same lot size and the same number of pips. So let's keep that in mind. So leverage does not affect your profits. The only thing simple calculation I'll do right now is a client A will have 500,000 using the leverage of 1:100, and a client B using 1:400 with $2 million USD have the opportunity to use more of a lot size than the ones using the 500,000. I hope you get it. So simple calculation: 2 million for client B divided by a standard lot size, which is 100,000. That will give him 20 lot size. The client A will have 500,000 divided by a standard lot size of 100,000 will give him 5 lot size. 500,000 divided by 100,000 will give you 5 lot size. 2 million divided by 100,000 will give you 20 lot size. So sometimes people will tell you, when you are using a higher leverage, use a smaller size, or when you are using a smaller leverage, use a higher lot size. It's all about risk management. So when you are using a smaller leverage, is a way of managing your accounts. So you are not allowed to exceed a particular lot size. Let's say 5 lot size, if that's what you get another day. You are not allowed to exceed 5 lot size, because if you exceed that 5 lot size, it can affect your margin. But the one using a higher lot leverage can use up to 20 lot size. So the risk is there. If, let's say, the client B use 20 lot size and the market go against him, just imagine the number of loss he'll be making. But the client A will be able to manage his account. So by the end of the day, a leverage doesn't really affect your profits, but it's a tool to use to reduce your risk. So if you know you're a good trader and you know how to manage your risk, you can go for a higher leverage and you can make a good profit. But if you know you are not a good trader and you are a newbie, started not too long ago, I'd advise you to go for a lower leverage that will help you to manage your risk. So guys, I hope today we understand what leverage is always stands all about. So leverage doesn't affect your profits. It's an opportunity for you to get more profits using a bigger lot size, or using a lower one to reduce your loss and have a moderate profits. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. This video will be on my YouTube channel. You can watch it, share it with your friend. If you have any suggestion, if you have any requests, if you want any complaint to make about this video, they are all welcome. As I said earlier on, my name is Dede Elomajanke and I'm a business development officer with the brokerage company. If you have any requests, if you want to join the school, you can call me on +233 50147 1104. So guys, really enjoy your day and Happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. We hope this year it bring a lot of laughter. Do more research, practice every day, because when it comes to forex trading, it's all about practice and discipline. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.